Namaste. It's me, Lokendra Saud, mathematics teacher. First of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, student. And today I have brought this third part of the use of a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, one formula. Okay, this is a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formulas used in factorization is brought here, and two parts of this exercise already taught, and its video also made already. Okay, and this part also you'll understand. Okay, and I hope you will practice also, and in difficulties you can watch the video again and again so that your difficulties can be solved. Okay, in this condition. And now first of all I want to start with the first slide. Okay, now here is okay. This type of question comes in long question, which contains 4 marks. And here, number 1, a minus b whole square plus 2c into a minus b plus c square. Solution: let a minus b equals to a, capital A, and c equals this c equals we suppose b. Then when you put this a value here, it will be a square, and here a 2a, then the c means what? B, and then this c square means b square. Now this is coming in the formula form a square plus 2ab plus b square, then we can add a plus b whole square. Then after finding this, we have to replace them. Okay, a means what we have supposed just now, a minus b, and b means we have supposed c. That's why a minus b plus c whole square it came, and we can add this 2 times because this whole square, a minus b plus c whole square. This one means a minus b plus c, a minus b plus c. Okay, this 2 times. Like this, we have to factorize this. Now let's move to the next slide. And here, that question is done by different way. A minus b whole square, this one, plus 2c into a minus b plus c square, and this one a minus b whole square plus 2 into a minus b into c plus c square. Then why I have underlined here? Because this a minus b is a and this c means b. Then this is in formula a square plus 2ab plus b square became, that's why it is a plus b whole square. That a means a minus b plus b means c. A minus b plus c whole square, it means a minus b plus c should be written 2 times, a minus b plus c, a minus b plus c. And now let's move to the next slide. And this is, look here, this is also related question, and but here it is a little bit different. Then right here 49m square, that you can write 7m whole square, and last one also 2p minus 3q whole square. This is b and this is a. Now write here 2a means 7m, b means 2p minus 3q, and we can check the multiplication. 2 7s are 14, it comes here. That's why this multiplication is correct one. Now we have to write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a means 7m minus b means 2p minus 3q. Okay, that's why a minus b whole square. Then we can write this 2 times same. Okay, then before that we have to open the bracket, minus plus minus and this minus plus, and like this it comes in whole square form. Then we can write 7m minus 2p plus 3q and 7m minus 2p plus 3q. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square, then it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square is formula. Then we can write a plus b whole square, and this c square writes c square only. Now it is in the formula of a square minus b square. A means a plus b here, that's why a plus b right here, and b means c, right is c. A plus b, a minus b, but a means a plus b, b means c. A means a plus b, b means, that's a minus b, this a plus b. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Here in this question, first is m to the power 4, and next is what? Minus bracket then m square plus 4m plus 4, and here it will be m power 4 minus m square plus 4m plus 4. Then m power 4 means m square whole square, and minus this m square plus 4m plus 4 means m square plus 2 into m into 2, and 4 means 2 square. Then we can write this m plus 2 whole square. It means a square minus b square means first a plus b, a means m square, b means m plus 2. Here also a minus b. A means m square, b means m plus 2. Then open the bracket, m square plus m plus 2. There is no changes because there is plus sign. But here is minus sign, we have to change. Minus plus minus and minus plus also minus. These are the two factors of this question. Now let's move to the next slide. Here, and here this first x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9. Then we have to write here this x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. It is in formula x square, then 4y square means 2y whole square. Then middle we have to make 2ab. 2 into a means x, b means 2y. Then write this a minus b whole square. A means x, b means 2y. A minus b whole square. Then backside there's 9. 9 means 3 square. Then write 3 square. Now it is in a square minus b square form. A square minus b square means a plus b. B means 3. A means x minus 2y. And here a minus b. A means x minus 2y. B means 3. X minus 2y minus 3. These are the two factors of this question. Now let's move to the next question. This is 4a power 4 minus 9, this bracket 1, 9a square minus 30a plus 25. And write this question again. And this can be converted into formula, this square 1, 2a square whole square. And these three terms can be converted into formula. 3a whole square, and this 25 means 5 square. Then here will be 2ab. 2 into a means 3a, b means 5. And when you multiply 2 into 3 into 5, then it will come 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. This comes. That's why it is in formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we have tried a 3a minus 5 whole square. Here it will be 2a square whole square. Okay. Now it is in the formula of a square minus b square. But in a it is 2a square. In b there is 3a minus 5. A plus b. B means 3a minus 5. And a minus b means this 2a square. And there is minus. Then we have tried this in bracket because it will change the sign later. 3a minus 5. Now open the bracket this side same. Minus plus minus and minus minus is plus, and these are the two factors of this answer. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, here the related questions are given for the practice question. Okay, these questions you can take as the homework, and it's homework also, you have to do it. Okay, similar question, factorize them. Okay, related questions are given, okay, which are explained just before. Okay, and this 1 number to 6 number, these related questions are there. And I hope that by looking this all the examples, okay, you can solve this question easily. I hope you will do also. In difficulties, you can consult again this examples also. You can watch the video again. Okay. And because practice makes a student perfect, have a wonderful day.